Okay guys, so as you can see on my screen right here, this is $144, and this morning I made it for free on my SuperEx wallet. And in this video I'm actually going to be showing you how to claim a $10 sign up bonus on the SuperEx wallet, and how you can actually make up to $100 on the SuperEx wallet. So if you don't know what SuperEx wallet is an exchange platform just like Binance, KuCoin and the rest. So but in this video I'm actually going to be showing you guys how to claim the $10 sign up bonus and claim more bonuses up to $100 and even $1,000 or so. So in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how to register on the SuperEx wallet app. I'm going to show you guys how to download the app. I'm going to show you guys how to claim your free $10 sign up bonus and how to claim an extra $4 bonus. And I'm also going to be showing you guys how to get up to $100 to $1,000 on the app. So to register on SuperEx wallet, I'm going to leave the link. It's going to be the first link under this video. So once you click on the link, it's going to take you to this page. So once you get to this page, you simply enter your email address. So you're going to type your email address right there. Then you're going to choose a password of your choice. After choosing your password, you're going to scroll down. When you scroll down, you're going to see the terms and conditions. You're going to accept it. You're going to mark it and click on the register button. It's as simple as that. So it's going to take you to verify that you're a human. So you're going to slide the puzzle till it gets to the right direction. So you're going to slide it, then you're going to leave it. Once you leave it, it's going to verify that you're a human. So as you can see, I'm verified that I'm a human. So it's going to take you over to the next step. So they're going to send you a verification code to your email address. So you have to go over to your email address. So when you go over to your email dashboard, you're going to see an email from SuperEx. So you're going to copy the verification code. So this is the verification code I'm going to copy right now, and I'm going to go back to my browser. Then I'm going to paste the code there. So I'm going to click on submit. So after clicking on the submit button, it's going to take you straight to the page where you have to download the app. So you can either download it through the APK version or through Google Play Store. So you can click on download APK, that's Android APK, or you click on Google Play Store. So I'm going to click on Google Play Store right now. So once you click on Google Play Store, it's going to take you to Play Store. So you're going to install the app from Play Store. It's going to enter your phone directly. So while the app is installing, kindly leave a like on this video if you are getting value. So as you can see, the app has been installed on my phone. So I'm going to click on the open button. So you're going to open the app, and when you open the app, it's going to take you straight into your dashboard. So this is the dashboard of the app. As you can see, this is the interface just like Binance. So you have to log in your account. So you're going to click on the login button at the top of the screen. So you're going to see login. When you click on login, you're going to enter your email address and your password that you used to register on the website. So you're going to enter your email address right here. So I'm going to be doing it live. So I'm going to enter my email address. So enter your email address, then enter your password. So then you click on login. So after clicking on the login button, you actually have to verify that you are a human. So you're going to verify the human verification process, just like the one you did on the website, where you have to slide a puzzle. So as you can see here, it says slide the puzzle to complete the verification. So you're going to slide the puzzle. Once it gets to the direction, you leave it to the position, you leave it. It's going to verify that you're a human. It's going to log you straight into your dashboard. So once you are logged into your dashboard, you're going to click on the wallet button to see your free $10 sign up bonus. So you click on wallet. As you can see right here, this is $9.99. Just a little reflection. It's actually $10 sign up bonus. So this is the sign up bonus you're actually going to be getting on the SuperEx wallet. Immediately you sign up, you're going to get access to the $10 right on your dashboard right there. So as you can see, this is $10 on your dashboard. Okay, as you can see, you have features trading. It actually has different features just like Binance. It has options to trade. You can actually trade. You can access the spot market. As you can see, there are different things on the website, on the app, sorry. So I'm actually going to show you guys how to claim the extra $4 sign up bonus and some other bonuses up to $100 to $1,000. So as you can see, once you are logged in, you actually have access to buy and sell Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. As you can see, this is ET, and ET we have $10. ET is the native currency, and that is where the free $10 sign up bonus is. So as you can see, we have Bitcoin, we have USDD, we have USDT, we have Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies. So as you can see here, this is $10 and this is the sign up bonus we actually got. So now I'm going to show you guys how to claim more bonuses. So you're going to go back to your home screen, to the home of the app. So you're going to see the home button. Once you go back to the home, click on airdrop base. Once you click on airdrop base, it's going to take you to the page. So as you can see on the page, instant sign up for SuperEx, we have completed that. That's immediately sign up, we're going to get $10, that's 10 ET. So once you follow them on Twitter, you're actually going to get 2 ET. Follow them on the Telegram, you're going to get 2 ET. So we're going to follow them on Twitter. So you're going to enter your Twitter username right here. So once you enter your Twitter username, then you click on congrats. So I'm going to enter my Twitter username right here and click on congrats, and it's going to take you directly to their Twitter page. So all you have to do is just follow them on Twitter and then go back. You're going to see your bonus. So I'm going to follow them right now. So once I follow them, then I go back to my SuperEx wallet app. I'm actually going to get the $2 sign up bonus. Then I can actually complete the second one, which is the joining the Telegram official group. So I'm going to click on join, enter my Telegram username. So I'm going to enter my Telegram username, then click on congrats, and then you have gotten the bonus, but you can still go and follow them on Telegram. So you go over to Telegram and join, click on join, then go back. You're going to see your bonus. That's how to claim the $4 sign-up bonus. So there are actually more bonuses you can claim. So you're actually going to make up to $100 on this app. You're actually going to click on, as you can see, we have to start a deposit. If you want to deposit, they'll give you $5, but I'm not going to be asking you guys to deposit on the app as it's a new app. So you can just leave that bonus, and you can actually introduce a friend. You can refer people, and you're going to get $10 per each person that sign up through your referral link. So you can see, introduce a friend to sign up. So click on this invite right here. So once you click on invite, it's actually going to take you to a page where you can copy your referral link, and then each person you refer, you're going to get $10. So if you refer 10 people, you're actually going to be getting about $100. So let me show you guys. Click on it. It's going to take you to this page. You can copy your referral link. So once you copy your referral link, you can actually go and invite people. They're actually going to give you a poster. So this is the poster. Once someone scans this QR code, it's actually going to impute your referral link automatically. So you can go and refer people. Once you refer each person, you're going to get 10 ET. Actually going to get 10% of anything they deposit on their account / anything, any trade they go through. Once they deposit, you're going to get bonus. So as you can see, that's how the app works. So try and refer friends. Each person you refer going to give you, as you can see, this is the $14. So we actually claim $10 sign up bonus plus $4 for completing the Twitter and the Telegram bonus offer. So as you can see, this is $14 right now. So once I begin to refer people, I'm actually going to be getting more money. So you guys can also go and refer more people, so you can actually make more money on this app.